Good morning, students. And in last class, we have seen about the maths exam preparation for CBSE and NCERT students in volume 1 category. Now, in volume 2, we are going to see chapter 7. What we have is integrals. Chapter 8, application of integration. Then chapter 9 is differential equation, and chapter 10 is vector algebra, and chapter 11 is three-dimensional geometry, and chapter 12 linear programming, and chapter 13 is probability. And most probably students will be more familiar and will be feeling difficult in these two categories, that is said to be called as integrals. And that integral is a reverse process of differentiation. While teaching the particular part, I'll explain you entirely. Now these are the deleted portions which is marked in red color pen, so that it will be easy for you to understand. So please listen. In integration, we will start with method of integration, then using trigonometric function, then using integration by parts, then partial fraction, and using these all comes under indefinite integrals. And in definite integrals, we'll be having some limit. Okay, so please know exercise 7.8 is entirely deleted, but in this category we have nearly 9 types. In that one of the type, this type of integration function, it is deleted. And in chapter 8, in application of integration, exercise 8.1, it is entirely there, but many will be having doubts that area between two curves is only deleted, because in exercise 8.2 we have area between a line and a curve, and area between line also we have. So please understand, 8.2 it is not deleted, only area between two curves it is deleted. Whether it is clear? Then chapter 9, differential equation. In differential equation, formation of differential equation, exercise 9.3 is entirely deleted. Then in chapter 10, vector algebra, scalar triple product. Triple product means triple product vectors, whatever we have in that formation, it is deleted. So, and in 3D geometry, we have some external cases here. Cartesian of vector equation of a plane part it is deleted, it coming under the Cartesian and vector form. And similarly, angle between two planes, angle between a line and a plane, and coplanar lines. So here we can't specify the exercise because some of the topics alone it is deleted. And in this category, linear programming, we have different types of linear programming. Whatever the word problems we have in that category, entirely it is deleted. So exercise 12.2 is entirely deleted. And similarly, whatever mathematical formulation we use for LPP, it is deleted. Similarly, when in probability, please learn variance of random variable alone it is deleted. Mean we have only variance it is deleted, and the variance exercise 13.4 from 10 to the last part it is deleted. So from 1 to 9 sums we have in exercise 13.4, and exercise 13.5 Bernoulli and binomial distribution is entirely deleted. So far these are the chapters which we have in volume 2, and please note, guys, the most important chapter and where you can score marks easily is the first chapter is linear programming. So in sample paper we have case study question in linear programming, and we have board examination 2023. Suppose if we have a question, surely we can have either in 5 mark or else in case study question. So linear programming, it is very easy. Depending upon the optimization, maxima, minima, we can calculate the critical point, and using that we can calculate the linear programming problem using graphical method. So it is very easy. So please learn the first chapter as linear programming, and the second part what you are going to learn is vector algebra. And vector algebra is very easy, and depending upon the vector, if you learn vector algebra 3D, it is entirely similar to the same part we have, depending upon the dot product and the Cartesian form, cross product. So the second thing, and the third chapter you are going to learn is 3D geometry, and the fourth chapter you can learn is application of integration, and last you can have probability. And after learning this probability, you can move to integrals, because many will be having many doubts and some won't be have a clear explanation in integrals, and while teaching integrals I'll explain you. So always have the integrals as a last part, so that it will be easy for you to understand and you can do sums in a betterment of future. So these are the things we have, and whatever the deleted portions we have, and in this category we have left the differential equation, because differential equation some will feel easy and some might feel tough. Okay, depending upon your situation, either you can have this as 6 and integrals as 7. Okay, so these are the categories which we have, and hope it will be easy for you to understand. I think so. And please subscribe our channel. So, and whatever the queries you have, you can just post in chat box so that we'll rectify, and whatever the doubts you can ask also you can ask in comments and we'll post the answer. And whatever the doubts entirely, please learn the formulas, and without formulas we can't proceed anything and any part. As an example, if you take a 5-mark question, even though we can solve it within a fraction of few seconds, and but steps won't be there. Okay, depending upon the JEE preparation, if you move on, always easiest part and the shortcut method always helps you in future. So, and the major important part is calculus part, that we have as integrals, application of integrals, differential equation, continuity and differentiability, and application of derivative. So these are the 5 chapters. It is very, very important, and students will feel little bit difficult. So please understand the situation and explain yourself how it came, and ask question among yourself so that it will be easy for you to understand. Thank you.